the one that captures every angle. Meet the Insta360 One. It records in every direction, so you never miss a shot. Shooting in 360 unlocks some amazing possibilities, like hypnotically smooth stabilization, or a selfie stick that disappears, so that your camera can fly. Slow things down to get a mind-blowing perspective. Cinematic edits are easy. Just mark the best parts of your shot. The One connects them with ultra-smooth camera movements. Lock on to any subject. The One keeps it steady in center frame. Show 2 angles at once and get the whole story. Use the One on its own, or shoot 360 straight from your phone. You can focus on enjoying the moment. The One will take care of capturing it.
It symbolizes the power and progress of human technology, keeping us connected across the globe. And it's got poo-poo on it. Yes, your phone that you touch all day with your hands and face houses fecal matter, illness-causing germs, and roughly 18 times more bacteria than a public restroom. Because you take it into places like a public restroom, and literally everywhere else. It's basically a third hand that you never wash, which is disgusting. Luckily, PhoneSoap lets you harness the awesome power of UVC light to clean your device and charge it all at once. PhoneSoap's germicidal UVC lamps completely surround your phone, breaking down the DNA of microorganisms, killing them dead. And it gets in all the nooks and crannies that damaging chemical wipes don't reach. Your phone comes out charged and germ-free, so you can do what you need to do. Minus the doo-doo. Don't get sick. Get PhoneSoap.
Life is full of amazing moments. From the everyday to the extraordinary, you capture it all on your phone. But now you can own those moments with Prynt, the first ever photo printing case for your phone. Just connect the case to your phone and get quality photo prints anytime, anywhere. But there's more. Hand the photos to your friends and they can scan them and bring them to life. Every print is like a key to that memory.
Wait, what? That's so crazy.
And you'll love decorating your life with these magical photos. Prynt uses ink-free peel and stick paper that will make you the life of any party. Own the moment with Prynt, the instant photo printer that brings your memories to life.
Introducing the Beard Ninja, the best-selling clear beard-shaping tool on the market. The Beard Ninja, to create a defined, symmetrical, lined-up beard with consistent results every time. You can create many different beard styles using this awesome beard-shaping tool. Choose your beard style. Check it out. A clear tool for perfect lineup. Use your razor for a defined, lined-up look. The Beard Ninja. One weapon, many angles of attack. The Beard Ninja is available now on Amazon.
We believe fitness should be fun and that everything adds up. That's why Flex 2 tracks your steps, distance, and calories burned. It's designed with a removable tracker to fit inside bands, bracelets, and pendants. Flex 2 is swim-proof and automatically tracks swims, runs, aerobic workouts, and more. Get call and text alerts on your wrist when your phone's nearby, and automatically track how long and how well you sleep. From day to night, Flex 2 goes wherever life takes you.